gonna sell this house. Daddy bought this house and he bought it for me.
You're wrong, Jane. You've just forgotten I bought this house for the two of us when I signed my first contract.
You don't think I remember anything, do you? There's a whole lot I remember, and you never paid for this house. Baby Jane Hudson made the money to pay for this house. That's who.
You don't know what you're saying.
Blanche, you aren't ever gonna sell this house, and you aren't ever gonna leave it either.
Jane, do you remember when I first came back after the accident?
You promise you won't talk about that again.
I know I did, but I'm still in this chair. After all those years, I'm still in this chair. Doesn't that give you some kind of responsibility? Jane, I'm just trying to explain to you how things really are. You won't be able to do these awful things to me if I weren't still in this chair.
But you are, Blanche. You are in that chair. And tell me, what are these awful things I'm supposed to be doing to you?
Well, I meant you wouldn't have to work so hard. And I was thinking, maybe Elvira can come in more often. Maybe even live with us.
We don't need Elvira.
But you're so tired. There's so much to do and you're not well.
Maybe you're right. Maybe I should get a checkup or something.
That would be wonderful. Perhaps we can find a really good doctor.
Yeah, we could get out of that nice Dr. Shelby, could we? Yeah, let's see. What's his number again? And under no circumstances, tell my sister the content of this note. It's not me that need a doctor, Blanche.